SGX Nifty currently indicating a negative start to the Nifty by about 27 points. So if that is the case, then we would normally expect the Sensex to be down about 100 points lower at the open. Dow Jones had a rather weak close. It was up 2 points, but it really fell off its high for the day and raised many concerns once again, because this is many now happening quite often. Periodically you're seeing the Dow go up and then coming off the cliff during the mid session, and this is happening like every day or every 2 days. So it's something to be concerned about. But as far as my forecast today for the Nifty is concerned, I think we should have a nice positive session today. A pretty powerful, I would say, strong session, morning session. I know my views are always contrarian to what others say. I do take great care in my forecasts. Sometimes I request everybody to just observe but I always ask you all to do your own homework and analysis before you invest your hard-earned money. Imagine if you were in my place, is it very easy to make such detailed forecasts? Just imagine if you are sitting today and you were to make, is it easy? It's pretty tough. We have thousands of calculations. Now there are people who expect that everything will be 500% right. It's very difficult. I am also human. Yet my analysis for today says that the opening session, the morning session till about 12 o'clock should be quite decent. 12, I think we should have a pretty positive session of the Nifty. I would not be surprised to see the Nifty scale towards 11,550, cross it, even go a little higher from there. Maybe 11,570, but at least I look at 11,550 for sure. It's a positive session I am looking at in the morning session. There are lots of calculations. It is very easy. I've said it, but I have done it. If I'm wrong, please. Whenever I always 95% we have a hit rate. I have thanked all of you all. It's entirely your credit. Whenever it is solitarily wrong, it's my error. I admit it. But we try that every day you earn some good money, no intention to ever hurt anybody. So morning session very positive till 12. I'm expecting a little fall between 12:10 and 12:35. Okay. So those 25 minutes, maybe even 30 minutes, you can expect some fall in the Nifty. Please only observe that. No, otherwise there are a lot of trollers who are after me for even 2 minutes variation they are writing, and that's not fair on me also. Competitors have sent trollers seeing our very good hit rate. So, but then just observe that, and after 12:35, 12:40, then again you should see a decent second half of the session on Nifty. So all in all, looks like a positive day, interrupted by a brief fall. That's what I think, between 12:10 and 12:35 or 12:40. Now there can be some variation of 5 or 10 minutes also. That also always keep in mind. I have said everybody, but our dear trollers will catch me for every 1 minute, which is very sad. I had not anticipated so many people. Yes, with our rising popularity of this way, of the way I'm doing it, I understand. But I'm here only for the good wishes that you guys give me, you people give me. Otherwise, I would have left long back. This I can tell you for sure. Only because there are lots of people who request me. And yes, if it is anything I can do better, I definitely try to do that. There are recommendations that I put a video on the Bank Nifty. I will do that. So definitely I keep all these things in perspective. Plus I will give you my perspective on Bank Nifty, whether you should invest in Nifty or Bank Nifty. I will do that over this weekend. What is better? What is good for an investor? What should be the right attitude? Which is the real art of investing? People are joining my Art of Investing course. Now new entrants, unfortunately, some people are trying to learn. They want to learn that how, sir, you predict with timings. Their entire eyes are on that. First you learn the art of investing. First you learn how to use interpret the data, the information that I am giving you for your use. You can't join some basic course and try to learn the unravel the uh, whole world in that. It's a very tough job. There are thousands of formulae involved. I can't do it in some few sessions. Yet those who are serious students of art of investing, please feel free to WhatsApp me on 982-086-1044. Today I am trying to make it very clear that is learning is now that I try to impart. I've been extremely honest all my life. I will make it very, very clear. What I'll be teaching you is the market outlook, where the markets are headed from here, and they are going to be very, very volatile from here. They are going to move up and down. I will tell you much in advance where they are going to move very clearly and how you should position yourself. I'll tell you which are the good places to invest so you can benefit from both up and down markets. After a few days, in fact, big volatility is going to start in global stock markets, and I'm going to tell you much in advance when what is going to happen. All that I'm going to cover, and which good places to invest. There are a lot of people who are trying to join my course only to learn the art of, not art, they want to know, they think that I've got a prediction formula, they are going to learn it in 2 weeks. It is impossible to learn that. It requires longer courses. It takes some period of time. Even after that, it takes practicing. It requires great amount of faith in your teacher and patience, which people don't seem to be having. So basic course and all is, I'm not going to be able to teach the prediction art in 2 weeks. It is impossible for me to do that. You'll have to be in a very long course and with me for a great amount of period of time, because these are thousands of calculations and they have to be learned in entirety. It takes tremendous. So a lot of people are calling me or WhatsApping me, sir, in 2 weeks will we learn? It's okay if people don't come. That's my whatever, we are anyway recovering only the data cost. That's all we are asking for. But I'm making it very clear today that I don't come to me for 2 weeks to learn and expect that you would have got some magic formula. It is not so simple. It is extremely complex. Even when I'm giving you my predictions for today, there is always a feeling, and mainly because of the pressure from the trollers that I have. How will the outcome turn out to be? My calculations are under tremendous pressure these days because how people pressurize me. But I do my best. I pray to God and I have good wishes of so many people who are joining and benefiting. But I want every strata of society to benefit from my predictions. Everybody. Some people say that, sir, we don't have so much. Everybody should benefit is my objective. There's going to be lots of ups and downs. I'm going to try and save as many people as possible. This is my objective. So please also forward my videos to whoever you believe can benefit. The real ups and downs, people say there has been so much action in 2020, but the real action is going to start next week, my friends. The big ups and downs are going to start. We will jointly go through it. Details will be there in the Art of Investing program. I will explain everything in detail, tell you all much in advance what is going to happen. But please, I'm clarifying this. Finally, if you want to join my Art of Investing, the 2-week course, and expect that you will learn entire art of predictions, timing, whatever, impossible for me to teach in 2 weeks. I will give you the direction, I will give you the basics of everything, but it will take time. You will have to be with me for a longer period, and anyway, I hope that whoever joins me remains a part of the Art of Investing family forever. On this count, I think it's a positive day, positive morning session till about 12. There could be some correction between 12:10 and 12:35 or 12:40, and then thereafter again the market should be good, decent. That's my prediction for today. Out of this prediction that I gave you, I think I'm starting to give you greater weightage. The morning sessions positivity should, in my opinion, be given higher priority. I feel I'm more positive about that. So don't forget these lines of mine. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.